Hey guys, my name is Nate Hibbert. I'm here again with my brother Steven Hibbert. We are doing a 3-part video series right now talking about Pre-Flight 2.0. This is video 2, so if you missed the first one, go check that out. This is the second one where we're going to be talking about the creative phase of our business. This is basically all me. I'm in charge of this department. And so inside of 2.0, I'm going to talk about a few things, and one of them is going to be kind of art theory. So what works on t-shirts, the type of designs, where you should be placing them, more of the art nerdy side of things. It's not too scary. We're not going to make it overwhelming, but I definitely want to inform all of my creatives out there, just some good practices to put in place while you're designing for t-shirts. We're also going to be diving into, what's been working on t-shirts, so the actual types of designs. I have a mantra that I follow: bold, clean, and simple. I've seen that kind of work across the board. That's what our business is kind of based off of. And so that is what I'll be teaching on, what that means. Saying bold, clean, and simple, it sounds all awesome and like a cute little catchphrase, but, each one of those words means something, and how can you apply that to your art style and the designs that you're making, so, it resonates more with the customer. That's really important. And then the last thing is actually focusing on the customer. What are those customers buying? Steven's doing great research. It'd be a shame if we didn't take that research into mind while we're also designing shirts. So we want to make sure that we're looking at the competition there, taking things in, like what colors are they using, all of that stuff that we'll dive more into inside of this group, or inside of this course, I should say. And that's what we're going to be moving forward with for that.
If you're interested in knowing more about Nathaniel targeting the customer, his bold, clean, simple idea, if you want to see him break all of that down, check us out, the Pre-Flight 2.0. The link should be in one of the description places, either above or below the video. And tomorrow we're going to be talking more about the refining process in video number 3.